In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a stand in Please Donate. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now this works on literally any device, whether you're on iPhone, Android, or PC. So all you want to go ahead and do is find Please Donate. Mine is in Continue. It looks like this, and that is the creator right there. So once you go ahead and find it, all you want to do is press the blue button on the bottom and go ahead and open up, the game. And all you want to do is go ahead and open up the game, which is Please Donate. Whenever you open it for the first time, it's going to say follow the arrow to claim a booth, which is basically your stand. So what you want to do is just follow the arrow, go to an empty booth, and then whenever you go to it, it's going to say stand claim. So all you want to do is go ahead and long press on that. Now it says now you have to create a game pass. So you can do that in a separate tutorial, which we also have. But now, if you want to edit your stand, what you got to do is literally just long press on that. You can change the booth name, any text. You can have a different font if you want to, any different colors, and you can also customize buttons as well, which is something really cool. And it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to let us know in the comments what more tutorials would you want from this channel in the future.